Hello YouTube, here I have the ride-on FunTok Jeep body style 4x4, 4 motors, each wheel has its own motor, has LEDs in the rear, in the front, big wheels. You can actually select from 2x2 or 4x4, two different speeds. There is a remote control as well, lights, as you can see all the switches right here going back and forth on that red. You have horns, you have all of the sounds, you have a nice radio that you can connect Bluetooth, power indicator LEDs on top. The mirrors, it's not really a mirror, fits two kids. I have a 3 years old and a 10 years old, and both fit really well there. The charger takes a couple of hours to charge, and the battery lasts for hours and hours. I never really run out of battery with my kids playing with this. They really enjoy so much. Look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. High quality. Everything is very good on this assembly here. I have a full assembly on how to assemble this vehicle. Not hard at all. Have LEDs in the back, as you can see there on the crossbar. This is a very good quality car. Very strong, very powerful, lots of torque. It can go through grass without a problem. In this video you see my kids playing with this, and you'll notice that this is really capable. Right here you have a screw to lock this hood in place. Look the size of this battery, really big. It is unconnected. Of course, this is brand new. It comes like this from the factory. I'm going to connect these leads in there and we will be ready to go. The controller has a fan on top as well, which is very good. Looks like this is going to protect from water, even though there is no seal around it. I don't think water is going to be a problem. The ESC sits higher from the tub, and that's really good. Closing the lid here. I already lost one of these black clips, which looks good, but essentially I just screw that screw down and it locks in place so kids can't access. Turning it on, you have music going, fast, slow, lights, very bright lights. Even though it's in the sun, you can actually see there. That is just one pedal to accelerate. The remote control, of course, it over commands the inputs in the vehicle. So if your kid is going crazy, you can just press the emergency button on the remote control, that white piece over there, and the car is gonna stop right away. I like how they organize the wiring here. Could be a little bit better. And here's my kid, Anthony, playing. He already noticed the remote. He never wants me to use the remote. He's 3 years old, but he drives these cars since he was 2. Well, not the Jeep, but the Mustang on the back. So he's really good at driving since age of 2, and right now it's pretty a good deal for him to drive this much faster car. Learning how to open the door. This is the first time he's seeing this car. He's jumping into it right away. Closing the doors. He's gonna look for the seat belts. Getting familiarized with the car. Maybe he's just going to forget about it. See, I never teach him, and he's already going to the red button there to turn it on. Go! And very shortly he's gonna start moving really quick. Actually, he was going in the slow setting. I hope that he would always drive slow, but once he learned that there is a way to go faster. He really only goes fast, and I mean really fast. This car is quick.
Anthony?
He plays around my house all the time, even when it's very thick and heavy grass.
Vai andar.
The car doesn't have any problems. It has so much traction. You see on a clip in a bit here with both kids in the car. It actually went and almost climbed my rose garden.
Fecha a porta.
So Anthony is getting familiarized. You can expect your kids to love this product.
Liga o carro.
Well, my kids love.
Isso.
Anthony really likes cars. And it's very intuitive.
Go.
He's like, okay, it's on. Let's go. Pedal to the metal. Well, pedal to the plastic in this case. And there he goes. I'm gonna follow him. Again, this is going in the slow speed. I have those lights in the bar facing back. I eventually switched this to face forward. I never added the batteries there. Don't really know how bright it is. I don't even know if it's supposed to be facing back or back. I don't know. But anyway, I think forward would be better because you can see what's in front of you, right? Look how much fun he's having. FunTok. What a great company, great service. Off-road 4x4, 4 different motors, 1 in each wheel. Very strong, very powerful.
It's going well, huh?
So we'll go for a quick run around the house here. Look at the tracks that's living in the grass. And then I'll have my other son, Bernardo, joining the conversation.
Say bye. Bye-bye.
So right here, Anthony is getting out, and in this clip, Bernardo and Anthony, see how it goes. See, it's so powerful. A lot of torque. Both kids, 10 years old and 3 years old. Anthony driving. Bernardo just having fun, helping his little brother. We're gonna go around the house once more here. Just really appreciating the quality of this ride. I like the tracks it's leaving. The grass looks great. Very resistant. This car is good. I don't know if it's meant for a kid as big as my 10 years old here, but as you can see, it takes it without any problem.
Go fast.
Now we have Bernardo trying it just by himself, going fast. See, he just switched to going a little bit faster now. Gonna go all the way down there and then turning into the street and coming back.
É pra vir pra cá, Bernardo. Puta que eu pariu.
I don't like that he goes all the way down there. Not very safe. So I was yelling at him. I want him to be playing closer to the house. And there he goes. Goes quick. And Anthony's just waiting to jump into the car. He's like, hey, forget about you and Bernardo. Both coming now. Bernardo is driving, going fast. Anthony having a lot of fun. Yeah, this is a nice toy. Now Anthony is getting into
You're gonna park yours
his
now?
first FunTok. This is the Ford Mustang. This is a 12 volts, only rear wheel drive.
Go, Anthony?
And he loves it. And by the way, that's a Ford license body
Go.
Mustang. GT 500, both going out for a little race. Anthony is very used to the Ford Mustang. He's been driving this for over a year now, looking back, see if no car is coming, but he was already in the middle of the street, asking him to leave the street because there is a car coming. Look how powerful this is, goes up, not a problem. Both kids having a lot of fun. So I hope that you liked this video. This is just a very practical demonstration of how good these FunTok cars are. Both the Ford Mustang GT 500 and the Jeep. Oh, Bernard is going all the way, like stand and driving. So I hope that you liked. Like, dislike, ask questions, subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment for my kids. I'll tell them how this video is going. Bernardo having a lot of fun. Anthony had a lot of fun. I like this vehicles, and I have also a lot of fun recording them playing. Good memory. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next one. Bye.